What is up, YouTube? Back with one more video. 5.3 LS, or not gonna say LS, 5.3 Vortec engine. I got the 862 heads. Got this engine off of Marketplace. The pictures in this video previous to me actually doing this, of course, the engine did not look like this. However, this particular motor will be used for a swap into my 63 Cadillac. I had a previous video explaining the reason for the swap due to the transmission problems and the cost that it would be to rebuild the transmission. It would just make more sense just to do the swap. So I decided to put my own touches with the color scheme for the motor, black and gold. Just a quick little walk around. Ain't nothing perfect. I ain't built no show car. However, I did replace the seal on the front. I had to get the 302-2 oil pan for the shallow, for the clearance, for the car. What else? All new bolts. What else? Bought the engine stand just for this. Got new headers. Couldn't use the headers that came with the engine. I had to get the headers that actually fit snug to the motor for clearance on the driver's side due to the steering box. And I believe that's it. I don't think there's any issues on the other side. I haven't test fit the motor yet. I just seen other people do these swaps into caddies and very successful. So I decided to, hey, shoot a video of my own. I got to replace the seal and the cover back here. And that's in that box right there, all painted up, and the seal's in there. I'm not rushing on this project. But however, I'm very excited to, when it's all done, to enjoy some family nights with the top down and just make memories. Other than that, I really don't have much else to talk about. I just wanted to come on here and show this real quick, and I'll have more videos as this journey continues with this whole swap. However, I hope this was informational. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, question, I don't care. Yeah, and click that notification bell, and also subscribe too. I'm just trying to branch out and kind of get my channel to grow a little bit. So anyways, thanks for watching. Until then, till the next time, I should say, take care. Later, guys.